We have our Legos, we have our markers and our paper, and we have our Play-Doh. And today we're on safari. We're on safari. We're going to make safari animals. Okay, we're going to make one out of Play-Doh. We're going to make one out of Legos, and we are going to draw one. So we're going to make a Lego giraffe. We're going to make a Play-Doh elephant, and we're going to draw a zebra. All right. So let's start with our Play-Doh. I think today let's take blue. We'll make a blue elephant. What do you think? So we're on safari. We're going to make 3 safari animals. So let's take our blue. And an elephant kind of has, we're going to start very, very much the same way we always do, with kind of just this egg shape. And we're going to give it 4 legs. Right off the bat, we're going to give it 4 legs. An elephant has 4 legs. So there we go. There's our egg with 4 legs, right? And we're going to kind of leave a lot for the head because he's got a little tiny tail. Not a gigantic tail, I don't think. It's very kind of thin, But then the bulk of it is going to be in the head. So that's where we're going to start. There's this little tiny tail, 4 legs, big head. We need a lot of Play-Doh in the head because he's got big ears, got a long trunk, right? So let's give him the ears first. We'll pinch out 2 big ears. See that? Right now it looks like a mouse, doesn't it? It looks like a big, gigantic mouse. But just wait, once we add the trunk, then it'll be all elephant, right? So he's got his 4 legs, big ears, little tail, and then we're going to just pinch and 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 pinch until we get that big trunk, right? So there we go. Wow, look at that. Yeah, that looks like an elephant now, see? It goes from mouse to elephant. All you need is a trunk, right? So there you go. Now you got the tail, you have your 4 legs, you have your big ears, and you have your big elephant trunk. There we go. We're on safari, so we made our first safari animal. We made a blue elephant, right? We're going to send him off to the side. Oh, I like that one. That one came out really well. Let's take our Legos next. Let's take our Legos there. We'll set our blue elephant aside. We'll take our Legos next. And we're going to make a Lego giraffe. We're going to make a Lego giraffe. So what's a giraffe have? What's a giraffe known for? Giraffe is known for that big, long neck, right? They're very tall. They have long, skinny legs, right? And they're very, very tall. So let's start with the legs. And we're going to just take a few of these sort of little square pieces and put it on its little giraffe foot there. We're just going to kind of build up. Right, so those are going to be the giraffe legs, right? So we're going to put those there. And now let's make the body for the giraffe. We're going to connect this and this, like so. Right, see that? There's its 2 legs, and there's the beginnings of its body. We're building a giraffe. Give him a little bit of a bigger body, and I believe a giraffe has like a little tail, not much. So we're giving him a little tail, but it's all about the neck. Now let's start building up the neck of the giraffe. And we're going to build up, we're going to take more than a few pieces and make that neck really, really long so it can reach, the plants up in the trees. That's what it eats. So it needs that long neck to be able to reach those high, leaves and plants that it likes to eat. But we're going to give it a head here. There's its head. And it's got these kind of horns or ears or whatever. I think we'll even use this piece, that triangle piece, for a head. But there's its head, and there's its neck, and there's its mouth, right? There we go. So that's your giraffe. Look at that. Very tall, right? Tall, slender legs, little tail, long neck, with kind of a little bit of a beaky mouth, right? Tall head. And guess what? Inside that mouth, guess what color the tongue is? A giraffe's tongue is blue. Blue. They have a blue tongue. I think it's like a dark blue, but a blue tongue, right? How cool is that? So there we go. There's our giraffe. We have our elephant and we have our giraffe. We're on safari today. We're making safari animals. So we'll put our giraffe there, our elephant over there. We're going to clean up the rest of the Legos so we can have room to draw, because now we are going to draw our zebra. We're going to draw our zebra because we're making safari animals: elephant, giraffe, and zebra. So now we'll get our markers and our paper, and we're going to do it with black. And I'll show you why. Because a zebra has stripes, right? So a zebra is kind of like, I think it's kind of almost like a horse kind of look. It's got a tail, and it comes down. It's got 1, 2. It's got 4 legs, right? 3, 4, and there we go. That is, believe it or not, that is going to be our zebra. You can't really tell. It could be a horse, it could be a dog, but we're gonna put. I think it has ears, right? It's obviously got eyes. It's got a nose and it's got a mouth. He's a happy zebra. But here is what you do to make it, very, very identifiable as a zebra, right? It's all about the stripes. So we're using black because the stripes are black and white, right? So we're going to add our stripes. There we go. We'll color in. We'll make them a little bit thicker stripes. We're just going to thicken up these stripes a little bit so he looks very, very zebra. Oh, yeah, look at that. And I think they pretty much have stripes that go all the way up, all over their body. So they even have stripes on the legs. They have them all over. See that? Now we added our stripes, and now there's no denying it. That is all zebra, right? So we drew our zebra. We made our elephant out of Play-Doh. We made our giraffe out of Legos. We were on safari today and made 3 safari animals. Drew a giraffe, elephant out of Play-Doh. Drew a zebra, elephant out of Play-Doh, giraffe out of Legos. 3 things on safari, right? Now, I want you to get out your Play-Doh and your Legos and your markers and make something. It doesn't have to be about the safari. It could be about anything. What's important is that you get out your Legos, get out your Play-Doh, get out your markers and paper, and make something. Be creative and have fun. Okay? Bye-bye.